If your AirPods Pro 2 ear tips are not comfortable, so you want to swap it for different size, remove the tips for cleaning purpose, or want to replace it for newer ones but can't get it out. In this video, we will show you how to remove the ear tips from the AirPods Pro 2 and also how to attach the new ones. You would get 3 different sizes of ear tips on the AirPods Pro 2 box. The size that is connected to the AirPods are medium size. If it is not comfortable, you can get larger or smaller one, or if the one is damaged, you will get the replacement ones for that too. Now, get the AirPods Pro 2 out of the case. Pull this part of the ear tip open, then pull it from the bottom and it should get out. As you can see, ours one just got out really easily, but sometimes it can get stuck. In that case, pull the ear tip again and use a fiber cloth like this and the tips will be removed. You can remove both tips like this. Now get the tip you like. To attach it, simply put the tip on top of the AirPod and press it and it will be attached. So guys, this is the way you can easily remove and replace the ear tips on AirPods Pro 2. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.